Houdini, how's it going with the babies? Oh no, don't pull them out. Oh no! They're all like, where's my mommy? Oh, little ones. What happened? Did I do that? I'm sorry. Houdini. Houdini, they were eating. They're all so tiny. So, one of these little gray ones is a girl. Hi, baby. And one of them is a boy. This is the boy. And then we've got, oh, they're everywhere. We've got two little blackies. And it looks like they are similar to our other blackies where they might end up also being what they call like a ghost tabby, where they have tabby stripes but they're black. And they're both boys. Hi, Houdini. And then we've got two little tortoise shells. Where are you? Here's one. Houdini is rubbing up against me. So this is one of them, and she's a little girl. Hi, Dini. I hear you. I know you guys are making a mess in the laundry room. And then this little teeny one is also a little girl with double paws. Hi. Hi. You gonna have blue eyes like your mama? Maybe. Very vocal, like their Siamese mama. Hi. You're very cute. She'll definitely have that different face. And then the other kittens are now outside in the barn. Hello. These little gray ones are very chatty. What are you doing? And they are making a mess of everything. But they are super, super cute and teeny, teeny, tiny. Houdini's pretty small herself, and so when you see all of them on her, hi Houdini, you're beautiful. But they're all doing good. That's an update on Houdini's kittens. Say hello.